Mix up. Aman is coming from team mix up. Aman is a king player.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Another mix-up.
another mix up player.
And yeah.
I think king is very hard to play in active long matches, but in tournament is a good character. Okay, एक मिनट आप
Hello.
देखा
हाँ बोल. और इंसान. पूरा बैग कौन सा?
अब यहाँ के लोगों को निकलना हाँ बैक
छोटा वाला उधर क्या है?
This is back.
खड़ा हुआ है.
बहुत बैक वो दो लाले बाहर जाके इनको अंदर करो प्लीज सबको
यार. ठीक है. इशारे भी दो. इशारे से पूछ रहे हैं. चलिए.
ओके
ये बात करो. या.
कुछ नहीं
बकवास क्राउड. हाँ यार.
where are we standing at the moment? We are okay.
Actually, matches are not happening as it should be, but
Because it is team match and,
Yeah,
and we have to collect both of the members of the team
Yeah, yeah.
and then
This is the
team
reason.
match is actually a long set of matches because
Exactly.
you have to change the sticks every time and changing stick takes 2 to 5 minutes for every person to select for a file and stuff. Okay guys, Bilal is Harathan is joining Bilal Jet from here.
Bilal, you can only say Bilal, not Jet anymore. आ जाओ, easy हो गया ध्यान से. Open chat from here.
Hey guys, what's up?
Naveed भाई.
How are you guys? Are you enjoying the tournament?
No. Arslan said that.
Guys, are you enjoying
Okay,
the
so
tournament?
King versus Zafina. I think matching is pretty good for. Oh no, he could have countered that move. Yeah, everybody missed Awad.
Hey, thank you, Lucy. Actually, I'm not well, feel well.
Okay, is he gonna die? Oh, dead. Dead Zafina. I think if Aman will play wisely, he can win against Zafina. As he already winning actually.
I think King have too much weaknesses against Zafina. Because if you go for back one of King, you can't hit Zafina because his animation of standing and attack is very
Yeah,
mid-level.
actually,
Mid
you
and
cannot
low.
use back one of King.
Yeah,
Okay,
against
cool.
Zafina.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so Qasim
It's
is
a
not
basic
stopping at
move
all.
Of King. Backhand is a basic move of King.
But King have 14 frame down forward too. Who can stop actually Zafina's
Yeah,
move.
when he is in stance, you can't hit down for two. That's the problem.
Nice parry. Nice parry. King Mishima. Oh, he should hit. But because of wrong axis, it couldn't hit. Oh, nice. Down for one for wall slam. No, this is what every Zafina player does. Even Arslan. I played with many Zafina players. They all
नहीं,
does
बुल्सी,
this
ऐसा
in the wall.
कुछ नहीं हुआ।
Nice block and nice back. Good game. Final round for the match number 2. Qasim versus Aman.
No, so what didn't
Not yet, bro. Our match is after this match against Prince Nova and Poppy Knight. Okay, so come back with the straight 3 rounds from Qasim's side. Okay, guys, we are not using a good camera, so I'm looking like Khan right now. ਕਿਹੜਾ ਕਰਾਉ कैमरा स्टक होया हुआ है वो देखो चल ही नहीं रहा इधर देख इधर उतार के दोबारा लगा वो नहीं चल रहा उधर
मैच शुरू हो गया मैच पे चला जाओ
नहीं चलना रहने दे इसको छोड़ दे अभी बाद में करते हैं इस मैच के बाद ऊपर ले आ गेम पे डाले 2 Khan is one punch man. he played really
Thanks,
well, but he
Rahman.
missed the
Thank you
Raging
very much.
Storm in the end. Other had Bakran, or I don't know. Babakar also. No, he's not in hospital. He has fever, but not in hospital.
KO. Round 2. Fight.
Cool. In here, someone says that. He did a bit too much last night. Yeah, he was, speaking like commentary is not an easy thing to do for everybody. And he does very well. Okay, so Kasim is actually winning.
Yeah,
Again.
Kasim is very good at the moment.
Oh no.
Nice potential. Oh my god.
Round 4. Fight.
2-0.
2-0. Warrior Kasim.
Billy update the score. I just did that. I think Kasim is in form today. I hope he will play well.
Yeah.
And let's see. Nice. He's gonna win the third match as well. And then, can he make the comeback? King can do comeback, but unfortunately, no, not this time.
You win.
No caps lock. I think he's using mobile phone. Okay, 3-0. Let's go. So this is last match from Itza's side. It will have to win 4 straight matches, which is kind of difficult, but
Difficult in the team match.
in tournament everybody can do.
I don't think so in team tournament you can beat. Because they're two minds with one mind, so I think it's very difficult.
Yeah, it is very difficult, but
If it,
still it depends
if
at
it happens,
how good you are
very good.
playing at that moment. They can actually do
yeah,
that.
Brandon, I know pretty well. Much better than before. But I have some weaknesses in covering the time, so
Guys, I'm watching. यार जोन इकट्ठे ही जाना यार.
Round 1.
take the Red Bull and try. No, I don't allow.
Alright, man.
I don't allow to drink. Sorry.
He's not allowed to drink. Lemon nice. Okay. I think Mitsuda can do this.
Oh. He's the only Pakistani who played in Link Zava and he played his full potential. He's very good with
He
the
plays
Link
really
Zava.
well.
He's the only guy who played Link Zava in Pakistan and he played very good.
Oh. Here's the bit late in Great Drive. Pina takes a lot. Oh my
Nice.
goodness. That was good. That was on purpose. That was good. Okay, down for one. The best, one of the best down for one in the game. The Pina's down for one. Oh no. That was down for two. Nice. Oh no wall. Okay.
Nice. Shouldn't be. It's minus 14? I don't think so.
I think it's minus 12.
So minus 12 or 13, I think.
No, it's minus
But
12.
not 14, I'm confirmed.
I don't know.
I'm sure.
Level 3, go ahead. -14.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਮਬੈਕ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਕਮਬੈਕ पीछे आओ
Let me check.
नाइस कॉम्बो
Nice, the penal, exactly.
Fight.
नाइस सच फ्री वाओ good
Back one.
it's minus 10 I think it's 10 frames of line कितने का बैक वन जो है
8 frames.
wow 8 frames
My match will be next, but I'm not gonna play Brian today.
then I will kick you off if you don't play Brian
Champion is here, guys. Tarnav champion. Yeah, I want to play Paul actually. Let's see if Kasim can
I want
keep
to play
Oh, nice.
Brian.
I think he can do that. He can still do that. Oh no? Tarnav is the best.
Respect that
He is one of the
Really
best.
fast.
Nice. Nice
nice
touch.
duck
Okay. Score is 3-1, guys. क्राउड वाला कैमरा बंद है, किसके बात करते हैं यार? Look, Avas is not looking fresh, or he's kind of sick. You can see he
my
didn't
beard
even
is
shave
too
his
long
beard.
now. I didn't go saloon
Your beard?
like
Your
1.5
bed is
months.
not good. You didn't made your bed. Yeah, it's beard.
This look good.
Shut up.
I'm look good.
I'm look good. Really? Do you?
Iron Fist, Lin Xiaoyu.
I want to become Ariel.
Well,
beard.
Daku.
Oh my god.
He is actually Daku. वैस मोटे हो गए हो. He was already मोटा भाई.
मोटा हो गया यार, वो डाइट छोड़ी है ना, वो वीकनेस की वजह से खाना बहुत ज़्यादा खाना पड़ता है, बड़ा गेन किया
Another bongi.
कुत्ते से तू आज तक फिर लग गया, तेनों की तकलीफ So the best devil gene arrived.
For a
Ashen
long
Rain is
time.
very where did the coma? Where did the coma?
No. Hira is not attending. Unfortunately, he's not here. He's kind of busy in some stuff. Oh, nice. Sodam
Nice
Peton. Sodam Strap. But I think nice. I think Shomi is good against Shayo.
Because he played too much. with
Okay.
Ikra.
Check the damage. Bloody damage. Is he gonna hit? Oh fuck.
my
Oh, check 1% damage. Rager.
Round 2. Fight.
Oh, down for it too. Oh, nice block again. No L-flip today. I know.
Nice. It is confirmed.
Nice.
Round 3. Fight.
आतिफ आतिफ आगे इधर आ कमेंट्री कर.
No, I don't. I won't play. I won't play. Sorry, Akuma. I'll be playing any other character, like maybe Paul.
Because he feels Akuma is nerfed now.
No, I don't feel like that. Akuma is not for these tournaments.
Then why don't you play?
I will play, but not in this tournament.
Play. Did you play yesterday's tournament?
Did you forget? I teach you Akuma.
Did you play Akuma in yesterday's tournament?
No,
Why?
because I didn't
Why?
feel
Well,
like
everyone plays it for win. Why don't you pick and win?
that. I don't want to win. I'm kidding. Level man, Sun versus low high. Yeah, I was watching that stream before. It's been so long.
Did it happen? No?
I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
Oh.
I want to win.
The match point for
Final round.
Hashim.
Fight.
Okay, let's see if Hitza can make another comeback or no. We are both trolling each other. We both are trolling. Final round for Hitza, but let's see. Oh, nice. Is he gonna kill? No. No. But maybe after this match, if he couldn't,
Do any mix-up?
maybe Rager, maybe Rage Drive, maybe R4. I think. Oh! I think that was
You're
Rager.
punish.
No, that was no Rager. Lohai won't lose his final. No, he's a good player.
अहमद भाई एलटी को मारो मुक्का. तो पहले नहीं ना देखे उन्होंने. ਹੁਣ ਕੱਢ ਕਰਦਾ. अहमद भाई ये स्टिक उठा के बाहर फेंक. You are my favorite player. I want you to win, man. AJ is my favorite player. Best master Raymond Goel. Please say Atif to commentary. If you want to,
Let's go. Score is 2-3, guys. Last match for Shomi and last
Abhi, aaj
coin,
apni
last
jagah pe.
coin for it. But
you are born for commentary, man, not for game.
while 2. Okay.
Nice.
I think today is it's the day is not getting hit by
Tindo,
Hellswitch. 3-2. Score is 3-2. Sorry. How can I be a noob like him? अब यार आप पंजाबी में कर लो पंजाबी डाल लो.
बिस्ती
Okay.
कर रहे हैं, मेरी बिस्ती कर रहे हैं.
Fight.
Atif but is kind of busy learning Tekken from other players. A nice down for 2. Maximum damage.
King of Fighter की भी यार नहीं. कोई भी
Okay.
लाता है.
Wait
मारो
there.
ना टांग
Or
में.
you will get launched. Hit to that.
वो सुन खा.
Oh no. No proper punish. That was supposed to be an electric. Unfortunately, he didn't do that. Oh. Okay, he got the combo successfully. Last round of Show Me, he won't have any more chances in this match actually. Oh, 1 to 4 didn't hit. This is first time I'm watching that. Oh, okay. He should have done power 1 plus 2 wall splash, but still good.
Guys, this is
What?
the final match.
That was a big risk. Still good.
This is unbelievable.
Okay, Xiaomi is
Because,
out of this match
it's
for
not
now,
do.
and score is 3-3, guys.
My God.
This
It's
is
very
getting.
impossible to
I
do.
told you that he can do that, and you were saying that no, that's not possible. Or that's very difficult.
It's very difficult. But he can do.
But he can do that. This is final match for both of them, and he's in momentum right now, so I think he can do that. And maybe Kasim is afraid a little bit of his exam. So let's see how he can do that.
Ah, yeah.
Josie Rizal. Lin Xiao Yu.
कैसे है वैसे अवैध चला गया लेकिन अब वो बेहतर फील कर रहा है. Yeah, definitely. That's the best Divulging. But you know, sometimes it happens that you cannot play as you usually do. So final match for both teams. And it
Who do you think is going to win this point?
I think it's 50-50, but my heart says that it's the other one.
Oh, Josie.
Josie. But I think now
Is this a
Kasim
good
is not
pick or
gonna
bad
stop.
pick? What do you think? Atif Bhatt.
मैं जा रहा हूँ घर.
Round 1.
अच्छा. Okay, let's see. I think this matchup is in Kasim's favor. Let's see. You like my Divulging?
Oh,
I will be
nice.
playing Divulging soon, bro. I'm practicing my Divulging. Hira is not playing. Okay, so I told you that Etsuza is gonna win.
Oh,
Nice.
Next up. Oh,
Ala yaar.
so Usman Ghani lost. Usman Ghani and AJ lost from the. I don't know what.
Faizan
their name
Akuma.
is. Faizan Akuma, yeah.
He's a
1-4,
good-
I think.
Oh wow.
1-4.
That was
Nice.
good. For me, Hira is best Divulging than you. Hira is an experienced player and still good. Okay, so last round for Kasimir. Let's see who will win. Oh, nice parry!
Nice.
Nice parry. Now you can see that who is gonna win. I think.
Butterfly time, yes.
No,
Oh.
not this
Kasim
time.
still have chance to win.
Exactly. No.
Wall
Last round
carry.
for Kasim.
Nice.
Why he did that combo? He should have done down
Back.
back 4-2.
Round 4.
Okay. Let's see if he can
Oh,
do that
what about
comeback. Nice. Hey, oh, he's dead.
Mix up time. Oh,
Okay,
block
nice
that.
block, but not a perfect punish. Oh, he should have. Okay,
No,
I
that's
think he's
from
gonna
the
die.
Yeah.
And after this
Oh!
match,
Nice. Nice, nice, nice.
excellent comeback. Excellent comeback by Etsuza.
It was just beat 4 coins with his 1
Yeah,
point.
that was
Nice,
perfect.
that was sick,
perfect,
man.
Nice.
रख नहीं बनते हैं.
उधर ही रखो. मेरा मैच है. हाँ मैं आ रहा हूँ. Okay guys, this is my match now, so I will have to go and maybe Arslan is gonna join you.
Arslan?
See you later. Bye.
आओ. तुम्हारा मैच